Hi, my name's Anna, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Rehook Tyre Glider, the evolution in tyre levers. Traditional tyre levers rely on leverage, which requires physical force from your hands, wrists and thumbs. This can be time-consuming, energy-intensive and difficult, particularly if you're on the road and in bad weather. They can also catch your inner tubes and are easily broken. Rehook Tyre Glider works differently to traditional tyre levers. To quickly remove your tyre, simply scoop the foot under the tyre bead, turn horizontally, then use the handle to glide around the rim, removing one side of the tyre. You can also easily install a tyre by pushing the tyre back onto the wheel, clip the Rehook Tyre Glider onto the rim, and then glide around the rim clockwise until the tyre is back on. With the Rehook Tyre Glider, hold the wheel in front of you. Hold the tyre glider in your palm. This allows you to use your thumbs to push the wheel and expose the bead. You need to create a gap so you can scoop the foot of the Rehook Tyre Glider under the bead. Pull the tool horizontally, leaving the tyre bead over the rim. The whole foot of the tool needs to be under the tyre to create a lip over the rim. From there, turn the wheel around. It depends on your strength to where you position yourself. You can try from a bent position, but if you need more force, stand and angle the tool down and push. Using the Rehook Tyre Glider as a handle, glide around the rim. Now that the side is off, you can remove the inner tube to complete your repairs. If you need puncture repair patches, Rehook GUIs are always our first choice. Normally, when you change a tyre, use your thumbs to feed the tyre back on. But with Rehook Tyre Glider, there's no need to do this. Clip the tool onto the rim of your wheel. I find it easier to start before the valve. Push the tyre down behind the Rehook Tyre Glider with one hand to engage the bead, and with the other hand, glide the tool around the wheel clockwise. It automatically reseats the bead behind it. Push all the way round. When you get to the final section of the tyre, it may help to position yourself to apply a bit more pressure and glide to fully reseat the tyre. And there you go, one tyre fully changed with Rehook Tyre Glider. You can purchase a tyre glider at www.rehook.bike. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to see more bike maintenance guides.